Did you know that most websites don't rank on Google not because of backlinks, but because of poor on-page SEO? If your page title, headings, keywords, and internal links are not optimized, Google cannot understand your content properly. On-page SEO includes things like keyword optimization, title tags, meta descriptions, headings, content, images, and internal links. These elements help search engines understand your page and improve your rankings. But the problem is there are too many things to remember. When writing a blog post, many people forget where to add keywords, how to structure headings, how to add internal links, how to optimize images so their content does not rank even if the content is good. Open MindMap AI and type On-Page SEO Checklist. The AI will create a mind map like this: keyword research title, tag meta description, headings, H1, H2, H3, URL structure, content optimization image, alt text, internal linking page speed. Now, before writing your article, you can use this mind map as your SEO checklist. This helps you organize your SEO strategy visually and make sure you don't miss any important SEO element. On-page SEO is important because it helps search engines understand your content and rank it higher in search results. So instead of using a long SEO checklist, turn your SEO strategy into a visual mind map using MindMap AI. Try MindMap AI and plan your on-page SEO smarter, faster, and visually.